Travel in October 2023 to the United Arab Emirates, Sharjah, to delve into a culture of learning at TUFH 2023. The University of Sharjah campus will be the venue for TUFH 2023. The network towards Unity for Health and the University of Sharjah look forward to welcoming an international, intersectoral, and intergenerational audience. Let's go beyond boundaries to discuss health equity through a culture of learning. Sharjah is the third largest of the 7 Emirates and is the most historic, reputed for its artistic culture and educational facilities whilst retaining the traditional values of an Islamic city. The University of Sharjah was founded in 1997, is ranked third in the UAE and has 3 branches. On campus, they have state-of-the-art labs, intersectoral and interactive ways of learning, a student center, and much more. The University of Sharjah is an innovative world-class teaching, learning, and research institution, providing a distinctive, inspirational, creative, and supportive environment. Join us. TUFH 2023. See you in Sharjah.